So I was walking on the beach and I seen all these birds. They were on the beach. Wow, look at them all. They all just flew away. And now they're coming back. It's pretty incredible, man. I tell you. Yeah, it's hundreds of them, man. Look at this. It's incredible, man. Yeah, there's hundreds of them, man. And they're just chilling out here. Oh, I can't see shit. I can't see when I'm... Oh, man, I'm trying to get this camera right. Here we go. But yeah, look at them all. Wow. Yeah. They're just out here chilling on the beach. There's quite a few of them, man. They're everywhere. Look at this. Yeah. They're probably getting ready to head south. They're just taking a break, probably, on their way south. Flying south. Yeah. There's so many of them, man. It's like crazy. Yeah. They're probably just taking a pit stop. You know. Taking a pit stop before they head south. They got a long journey ahead of them. But yeah, man, I just caught this morning on my walk. It's crazy, man. It's just something else. Yeah. I'm trying not to get too close to them to scare them. But I know. Wow. It's crazy how many there are. Yeah. Man, sorry about moving around so much, but it's just incredible, man. It really is. Wow. Yeah. I'm sure when I get closer to them,